Flood control, federal funding, and family relationships. Tonight, two leaders on Fort Worth's Trinity River Vision sat down with CBS 11's Jason Allen, and they answered key questions about the billion-dollar river project that will soon face an outside review.
When Fort Worth's Trinity River Vision project didn't receive expected federal funding in 2018, Executive Director J.D. Granger told us the public didn't hear a lot about it because it didn't change plans much.
So unless it is something that messed up our critical schedule, that's the big time we actually let the board know, hey, we have to shift the schedule and move it back. We have not had to make the decision yet.
The criticism from Fort Worth, though, that followed was the latest hint to managers that decision makers perceive the project not as much about flood control as a way to remodel a city.
One of the things we did is we emphasized economic development. And I don't think we emphasize this is flood control at its very heart. And so I think that's the shift you're talking about. That's what we've got to do.
The project is dependent on federal funding for half of its $1.1 billion cost, which managers said Tuesday could be cut.
Is there a place to trim? Yes, there is, Jason. Absolutely.
There might be $80 to $150 million in savings by eliminating some city infrastructure plans. But doing another cost-benefit analysis at this point, which some in Washington have said is necessary, would delay the project 6 years, managers said, and may not improve anything.
The optics, maybe, but as far as the practicality, that ship has sailed.
They also defended Granger's position, with his mother, Congresswoman Kay Granger, working to direct money to the project. None of those dollars go directly to the Water District, they said, and it's not a conflict of interest.
I do know that based on our relationship, there's probably the most sharing of information you could ever get between the federal level and the local level. And I'm trying my very best to always make that available to the board.
Jim Oliver today also specifically defended the management of the project, although saying if the review of the project, which is being planned out right now by city and county leaders, shows that there's a need to make a change, he would consider it. Live in Fort Worth tonight, Jason Allen, CBS 11 News.